Hello and welcome back to our house. It's great to have you with us again. Today we're going to be looking at the Fusion-Loc Shower Corner Shelf. Now I was looking for something very similar to this. I've had a couple of screw-in corner shelves before, but they've rusted or gotten dirty and had to remove them, and now I'm stuck with some holes in the walls. So I thought I'll purchase it and give it a go. Let's have a closer look. So there were two things that really attracted me to buying this product. One was the 10-year rust-free warranty. I mentioned before that I'd already had two shower shelves, and one of them rusted and the other one was made of wood, and it got moldy real quick and it was very difficult to clean. So I got rid of those and wish I had never bought a corner shelf that you needed to drill, and wish I had found these right from the start. Now, of course, the other thing is that massive 26 kilogram holding capacity, and we'll test that a little later on. Now a quick look at the back of the box and we'll start the installation. So now you can say no to drilling holes in your shower tiles. You can see just how easy it is to install and remove the shower corner shelf. As I mentioned before, I was so impressed that I bought the soap holder as well. I'll leave links to the website and places to purchase any of the range of their products. I'm not affiliated in any way, just an impressed customer. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please consider hitting that like button, and if you want to see more household products, tools, or just DIY projects, hit that subscribe button. I have plenty of interesting projects coming soon. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now. Hello and welcome back to our house. It's great to have you with us again. Today we'll be looking at the Fusion-Loc corner shower shelf. Idiot.